What is multimedia? It is derived from the word multi and media. Multi means many or multiple. Media is the tools that is used to represent or do certain things, deliver a medium, a form of mass communication, a distribution tool, and information presentation. Multimedia is widely used in the entertainment industry. It is specially used to develop special effects in movies and video games. Music and video apps are the most glaring example of the rise of multimedia in entertainment. The use of multimedia in the gaming industry made it possible to make interactive games. What comes to your mind when you hear the word multimedia systems? Multimedia systems are systems that can store, retrieve, and process various types of media, such as text, graphics, image, full motion video, audio, and animation. There are 5 basic elements of multimedia: text, images, audio, video, and animation. The multimedia system is capable of transferring audio and clips in addition to the regular text. It is even capable of sending message and formatted multimedia documents. At the same time, the multimedia also help in live, which is a live interaction through audio messages, and it is only possible with a multimedia.
Elements of multimedia system. There are text, audio, graphics, image, video, and animation. Text is a word and symbols in any form, spoken or written, are the most common system of communication. Text can be combined with other media in a powerful and meaningful way to present information and express moods. It can also use as heading, bullets, paragraph, and etc. Audio, a application may require the use of speech, music, and sound effects. These are called audio or sounds elements of multimedia. Speech is also a perfect way for teaching. Graphics or image. Graphics makes the multimedia application attractive. In many cases, people do not like reading large amount of textual matter on the screen. Therefore, graphics are used more often than the text to explain the concept, present background information. Video. The term video refers to the moving pictures accompanied by sound such as picture in television. Video element of multimedia application gives a lot of information in a small duration of time. Animation is a process of making a static image look like it is moving. An animation is just continuous series of still image that is displayed in a sequence. There are two categories of multimedia, linear and the non-linear. Linear is a type of multimedia that is designed to be presented in a sequential manner. It has a distinct beginning and end. It goes on a logical flow from a starting point to a conclusion. Non-linear, a form of audiovisual media that can be interacted by the viewers, such by selecting television show to watch through a video, by playing a video game, by clicking through website, or by interacting through social media. Application of multimedia. Creative industries use multimedia for a variety of purposes, ranging from fine arts to entertainment, commercial arts, journalism, media, and software service provided from any of the industries. An individual multimedia designer may cover the spectrum throughout their career, requests from their skill range to technical to analytical and to creative. Field of education. In education, multimedia is used to provide computer-based training courses, popularly called CBTS, and refers books like encyclopedia and almanacs. A CBT lets the user go through a series of presentation, text about a particular topic, and associated illustration in a various information formats. It's an informal term used to describe combining education with entertainment, especially multimedia entertainment. Field of engineering. Software engineers may use multimedia in computer simulation for anything from entertainment to training, such as military or industrial training. Multimedia for software interface are often done as a collaboration between creative professional and software engineers. Entertainment and finance. In addition, multimedia is heavily used in the entertainment industry, especially to develop special effects in movies and animation. Multimedia games are popular pastime and software programs, available either as CD-ROMs or online. Some video games also use multimedia feature. Multimedia application that allows user to actively participate instead of just sitting by a passive recipient of information are called interactive multimedia. Multimedia hardware. System device like microprocessor, motherboard, and memory. Memory and storage devices like RAM, hard disk, disk cache, compact disk, and memory cards. Input devices like keyboard, mouse, microphone, digital camera, video camera, and scanner. The output device, printer, monitor, projector, and amplifier or speaker. Communication device like modem. Multimedia software. Painting and drawing tools. Graphic impact of your multimedia presentation is very important in influencing the viewer. It is the graphics that would create the first impression of your multimedia project. These tools are therefore very useful in giving you the desired capability in terms of drawing and painting. 3D modeling and animation tool. Realism means that you depict things in the way they actually are. With the help of 3D modeling and animation tool, the object that appear in the perception in your project and look realistic. Image editing tools. While painting and drawing tools let you create a drawing from scratch, image editing tools are used to edit existing bitmap image and pictures. However, these tools are similar to painting and drawing tools as they can also create image from scratch. Sound editing tools. Sound editing tools let you hear sounds as well as visualize it. You can cut, copy, and paste sounds and edit it with great accuracy. You can integrate sounds into your multimedia project very easily by using sound editing tools, animation, video, and digital movie tools. Animation and graphic scenes playback sequentially and rapidly. These tools adopt an object-oriented approach to animation. These tools enable you to edit and assemble video clips and capture from camera, animation, and other source. The completed clips with added transition and visual effect could be played. Image file. PNG means portable network graphics. It creates as free open source alternative to GIF. Support 8-bit rated image. The JPG, Joint Photographic Expert Group. A lossy comprehension method. JPEG comprised image are usually stored in a JFIF JPEG file interchange format. File name extension is JPG or JPEG, JPEG. GIF, graphic interchange format. Common usage limited on 8-bit plate or 256 colors. Most suitable for storing graphics with few colors. BMP, Windows bitmap. Handles graphic file within the Microsoft Windows operating system. Uncompressed, therefore large and lossless. Advantage, simple structure and wide acceptance in Windows program.
Hi, my name is Binsarbi Kube, and let's talk about macro photography. First of all, what exactly is macro photography? Macro photography is all about showcasing a subject larger than it is in real life. It is a extreme close-up of something small. Here are some examples of macro photography that we made using our mobile phone. If you're planning to make a macro photography, you're going to need a macro lenses. But if your phone already have a macro features, you can still take pictures without a lens.
First things first, we just need to put our lenses to our mobile phone. Next is we're going to set up our pro mode or expert mode in our mobile phone. So we set ISO to 100 and shutter speed to 1 to 60 seconds. Then the WB or is 5100K. The manual focus is 0.92 and the EB is negative 0.50. Then we're going to take a picture, some pictures. And here are some pictures or the results of our macro photography. And after some enhancement, this is the final result.
The next topic is audio. Sound is perhaps the most important element of multimedia. Sound is the terminology used in the analog form and digitalized form of sound. It's called audio. A multimedia application may require the use of speech, music, and sound effects. These are called audio, or sound elements of multimedia. Speech is also a perfect way for teaching. Audio are of analog and digital types. Analog audio or sound refers to the original sound signals. We already discussed macro photography and audio. Now let's talk about video. The term video refers to the moving picture accompanied by sound such as picture in television. Digital audio is useful in multimedia application for showing real-life objects. Video is an element of multimedia application that gives a lot of information in a small duration of time. Digital video is useful in multimedia application for showing real-life objects. Video have a highest performance demand on the computer memory and on the bandwidth if it plays on the internet. Digital video files can be stored like any other files in the computer, and the quality of the video can still be maintained. There are multiple types of video formats, and here are some. AVI, or Audio Video Interleave. It was developed by Microsoft and introduced to the public in November 1992. As a part of its Video for Windows technology, the AVI format is one of the oldest video formats and is so universally accepted that many people consider it the de facto standard for storing video and audio information on the computer. FLV, or the Flash Video Format. These are videos that are encoded by Adobe Flash software, usually with codecs following the Sorenson, Spark, or BP6 video compression formats. WMV, or Windows Media Video. It is also developed by Microsoft. WMV was originally designed for web streaming applications as a competitor to Real Video, but it can now cater to more specialized content. The next one is MOV, Apple QuickTime Movie. MOV has been developed by Apple Incorporated. The QuickTime file format is a popular type of video sharing and viewing format amongst Macintosh users and is often used on the web and for saving movie and video files. And the last one is MP4, Moving Picture Expert Group 4. MP4 is abbreviated term for MPEG-4 Part 14, a standard developed by the Motion Pictures Expert Group, who was responsible for setting industry standards regarding digital audio and video, and is commonly used for sharing video files on the web. Animation. The animation can be used effectively for attracting attention. Animation also makes presentation light and attractive. Animation is very popular in multimedia application. Just like in a video, we also have different types of animation techniques. First things first, what is animation techniques? Animation techniques is a method of photographing successive drawings, models, or even puppets to create an illusion of movement in a sequence. Now let's see the different types of animation techniques. First, we have cel, C-E-L. The term cel derives from the clear celluloid sheets that were used for drawing H-frames, which have been replaced today by acetate or plastic. Cells of the famous animated cartoons have been suitable for framing collector's items. Next is computer animation. Computer animation programs typically employ the same logic and procedural concepts as cell animation, using layer, keyframe, and twinning techniques, and even borrowing from the vocabulary of classic animators. We also have kinetic animation. It is the study of the movement and motion of structures that have joints, such as a walking man. Inverse kinetics in the high-end 3D programs, it is the process by which you link objects such as hands to arms and define their relationships and limits. And last is morphing. Morphing is a popular effect in which one image transforms into another. Morphing application and other modeling tools that offer this effect can perform transition not only between still images but often between moving images as well. The morphed images were built at a rate of 8 frames per second, with each transition taking a total of 4 seconds.
Usually I put something on TV, so we never think about you and me. But today I see our reflections clearly in Hollywood, laying on the screen. You just need a better life than this. You need something I can never give. Take water all across the road. It's gone now, the night is come. But sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me